Yeah. Dear God, you are wise, loving and generous. You don't hold back any good thing from me or any of your children. I ask for wisdom in this season of life. Guide me as I walk through my day. Meet new people and have new experiences. Yeah. Make me wise as I draw near to you. Yeah. As I get to know you better, when situations arise, remind me to ask you about decisions before anyone else, so I will make wise choices and deepen my relationship with you. Show my loved ones, yeah, that we can trust you no matter how hard or confusing life is right now. Sorry, thank you for listening to me. I'm grateful for these new opportunities to grow and learn. Yeah. Father, direct my decision making. You know everything about my future, and you care about me. When I feel overwhelmed by decisions, and it feels like too much to handle.